they on in My Big Fat Greek Wedding? Number 2. I wonder what island were they on when they were filming My Big Fat Greek Wedding?
The last one was, I don't know. Have a look to this one. What you can see? What's up? What you can see? Ora, can you some small amount of money, then schools, and secret to the schools, all the children, they used to run inside of the churches, inside of the education.
So cute.
Pomegranate also here. We have also white dogs, but also blue dogs. The newest is the white, actually. In order to be so much white, we must cover the machines white, so that right here. It's a cute little villa.
Do they ring the bells at a certain time?
We avoid that, the big ones, but we can bring the small ones. They think that they're going to create vibrations from the big bells, from the big ones.
Après, on a pris, t'inquiète, ça suffit.
Ah non, on a pris quelque chose.
Oui, voilà, franchement, une ça me suffit en fait.
Bah, on aura 15.
Eh ben merci.
C'est du portrait, du normal.
Oh,
Time for shopping. So you can have a look if you find something interesting. Around there. Slowly, slowly. Yes, watch your step. We have different kind of sizes of stairs. Be careful. It's a catacomb. You see that they have kept the arches. The arches, they are very effective for the earthquakes. Even now, in case that we will have something, an earthquake, everyone is going to run inside. It's very, very safe. You can see the material, but it's very fragile. If you are waiting like a new member in your family, you can spoon a new room. You can make a new room. The only problem that you have is to interrupt another cave house. And also we have some like small openings for the fire. That's why the stones are there. And now, let's go to see the rooms, the bedrooms.
the bedroom. Okay.
The master suite is over here, and the kids' rooms also. The master suite is here.
It's cool in here.
Yeah, it
Right.
is.
It's the only one that they allow us to come inside, and they don't have make it into something else. In most of the cave houses, they have been into cellars for wines. Because of the temperature. It's very nice, it's nice and cool inside, yes. And you can see also the lava rocks, that is the lava rocks especially sometimes it can be a bit wet. You can come inside if you want to.
Yeah.
Look, it's wet here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Oh my
The
gosh.
pamison can absorb the water from the atmosphere humidity, and that's why.
How are you? Yes, I know. It's hot these days, especially. welcome to our gallery. You just meet the artist. Natasha is
sorry,
the
sorry.
owner of the gallery. She's painter and sculptress, and all the other pieces made by her friends. Now we're in the middle part. It's about 150 years old, and we have two more in the back because before it was a house.
Sorry.
You can see the blue windows, blue doors.
Megalochori.
You know, I'm liking that because I have learned better like an artist, so because I'm having a new house, so I got all the people I know to just put
And you can see the plastic chairs. It's from yesterday that we had the festival.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It was right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
At the square. Out close to the church.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, yes. Yes, it's complicated. A lot of things. Yeah, sure. You like it here? Be careful. Nice, pretty. So, what you can see different kind of small rooms, right? So in every room we have different kind of wines also. Like this room has a personal collection of Mr. Artemis Karamolegos. Here we have the white ones. Here we have some wines that they don't have released them yet, not yet. That's why you will see the label is by hand. Here they store the Vincent. All the magic happens in here. All the magic. Here we have the stage of fermentation, but also the maturation with the Austrian barrel, but also with the We are going to fill the